We humans are superior beings. Why? Because we have this prefrontal cortex. And this prefrontal cortex, to stimulate, the best practice is the neck drop. You are stimulating the cranial nerves which supply good healthy oxygen to the prefrontal cortex. So let's practice few neck drops. Dropping the ear to the shoulder and holding the palm. You're closing one ear and increase the listening. So this Karna Patal also happens in this practice, like you're strengthening the hearing skills, listening skills also. So let's start with simple practice, which is just slow and steady, dropping your neck from one side, which is right, to the left. Remember the breathing. Whenever you're dropping down is exhalation, longer. Whenever you're rising and raising, it is the inhalation. So bringing back from gravity is inhalation and dropping is exhalation. So let's keep the chin parallel, spine erect, shoulder back, expanded chest, so the heart gets more and more, like dil mange more, you automatically achieve and receive. So just simple tips to follow. Keep your spine erect, dropping the neck from right, breathing in and dropping it left. These are simple relaxed practices, compressing your neck, stimulating your cranial nerves, muscles. You can do this activity and this act anytime, before, after food also. Dropping the neck. Now enhancing the same practice with the use of your hand. Take your palm, cover the ear and drop the ear to the shoulder, squeezing the right neck muscles. With a pleasant smile, because the brain is all the time listening, feeling, sensitizing. It should feel as if pleasant things are taking place. So keep the smile intact. Engage yourself with mindfulness, awareness. Stay there for a pause after dropping your breath out completely. No bandhas or holding the breath, but a pause. Enjoy the pause. When you're doing that, make sure that this shoulder is not lifted. This shoulder of the opposite left is dropped down. And slowly, steadily bringing your hand back. The hand is like a support, giving extra weight and pressure so that you can drop better. I repeat, simple practice. Drop right, center, left, center. A little add-on to the practice. Cover the palm to the ear, press the palm well and drop it with a light hand. Little pressure, little force, mindful awareness and stay with a pause. Repeat with the right and left mandatory. Don't just do injustice and leave to one. So again, hold it to the right here, drop to the left side, slow and steady, allowing it to drop automatically with a relaxed, calm mind. Bringing back with the breath in and relax. Remember, yoga is nothing complicated. Pradarshan, it is not about showing, it is about doing. It's a big darshan. So this is Ashtang Yoga and the darshan is meeting your own soul and feeling cheerful, joyful and happy. Remember the Anandamay Kosh we have to enhance and build within us. So the simple practice, more greater and more deeper it goes. In pregnancy or during pregnancy, do not try to hop, skip and jump. Small contraindications. Be very mindful. Monitor how you are feeling while you're doing these practices. Sensitize the practice and do it with calm, pleasant mind and cheerful smile on your face.